Hey, good morning, guys. I've already been super busy. Yesterday, whenever I went to my friend's house, she calls it Ashley's Boutique, and so she basically sets up all of her kids' clothing that they no longer wear, and then we go and kind of look through it, and we get some really, really good clothes for very, very cheap prices. But she also had this little arts and crafts table that I was looking for Amelia for Christmas and for her birthday, but they're so expensive and I couldn't justify buying it at that point, but she was selling hers for really, really, really cheap, and so I got it. And so I just set it up here. There used to be it was a table here with like 4 different animal chairs, and so I just put that downstairs so she would also have a place to color and stuff downstairs. But so I just set this up for her. So I've got her coloring book, and then underneath are her stickers that I'm hoping maybe she won't find. And then her pencil crayons and her crayons and very, very, very washable markers and everything else, and then her coloring books and stuff go on the side. So I'm super excited. She saw me bring it in last night and she goes, "Oh, that's so cool." But I think she might actually be awake. I keep seeing her head pop up. Go check on her. Do you think she's awake, Clara? Do you think she's awake? Do you think she's awake? Yeah. Alright. I thought I heard her scream just a minute ago. It's okay. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright. Let's go get it. Clara doesn't like whenever I'm out of sight. She freaks the freak out. Alright, let's get in. Hello? I'll turn on the light here. Well, hello. You said good morning? Did you have a good sleep? Who do you got? Hmm? Who do you got? Who's that? Aww. Where's Anna? Oh, I'm laying on something. There's your cup. Do you want Anna? Do you want Kristoff? Let me turn this off. Do you want other Elsa? Do you want Olaf? Do you want Barney? Do you want Baby Bop? Do you want Brickley? Do you want Penny? Do you want Baby? Do you want... I'm gonna go see sister?
No.
No!
What's the balloon?
Where's the balloon? There is no balloons. You want balloons?
Okay.
I don't have any balloons. Maybe I can pick some up today. That's quite the face. Can I see a smile?
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Let's go see sister. She wants to see you.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Do you want to go and see some animals today?
No.
And go on a pony ride? Do you want to go ride a pony? You want to go ride a pony? Yeah. And have some barbecue ribs? And pulled pork? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. What, you gonna bring everybody? Oh. You're silly. What's that?
Let's see.
Let's see. Oh, lucky Clara. What's that, Amelia? Okay, Clara. What do you got? Remember, those only work in your special book. You have to use crayons on this one. Here, let me get your special book out for that. Oh my goodness, Clara, I'll be right there. Here, honey. Remember, you need a special book for those markers. Here you go.
No.
Okay, well, you can do whatever you want, though. Okay. And what's wrong? Oh. That's quite the bad cough you've got. Get attention? Yeah. Alright, let's have some breakfast. You want some breakfast?
No.
Of course not. I'm gonna clean up. What happened? Mommy just went to go. No, 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 no. Look at your face. Amelia.
Look at my nose.
Look at your nose. Oh my God. You're supposed to just color on paper, honey. Not your whole body. Oh my God. Maybe this was a bad idea. Yeah. Jump, jump, jump! Oh! There you go.
I had boys, I never got.
Oh yeah. That's fun? Yeah. Ready? One. Good job. You got it.
Hi, buddy.
There you go. Hello. Hello. You see, sister?
Oh, I saw that.
Just make sure the little girl is under the wafers. Watch.
Dancing? So you were dancing.
I'm just working here. I just got here. I'm just a volunteer for like Ribfest. Not for.
At the hamster?
They told me his name, but I forgot him. I forgot it.
So nice. Say thank you. What is it? I think it might be an alpaca. Go say hi. Go say hi. Careful. You're okay. Look at the little goat. You see the goat? You want to go get right in the line for the pony?
Look, Roy.
Yeah.
Want to go on the pony? Dominic, look at the horse. He's doing right a horse. You'll have to wait.
Are you feeding him? Careful. Hang on. Whoa, good job. Hold on. Look at you. Hold on tight. Deke's excited? That silly horse. So cute. Hang on. Alright, so it is tummy time. I used to do vlogs of tummy time. Or not tummy time. Oh my god. Tubby time all the time. Jeez. You can tell it's the end of the day. And, hi, Miss Clara. Oh, can you say hi? Yeah, hi. She's eating all the foam letters. Then we have Amelia. Say hi.
Hi.
She's coloring on the side of the tub with proper markers this time that are meant for the tub. That was a disaster this morning. Lots of fun to clean up. Anyways, my sister and brother-in-law are on their way down. They're just out of the Toronto area now, and and Luke is just leaving. There was a supervisor's mandatory work meeting up at the shop, so he's still about 4 hours away. So mommy's on her own again tonight, but then hopefully I'll have some help for the weekend. Fingers crossed. But anyways, we had a really, really good day today. Did you have fun today?
Bye.
Did you have fun today at Ribfest?
Bye.
Did you go on the jumpy castles? And did you ride a pony?
Yeah.
And you saw some animals?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, say we'll see you later.
See you later.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
See you more, baby.
If you enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, leave a nice and friendly comment below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.